folks, one transition to garden and fence. What we're going to be doing today is, okay, we are going to be doing some digging, okay. We're going to be digging the plot. If you can see where I'm pointing to there, we're going to be digging that, some more of that today. We've got a few leaves there, but we're going to at least do another decent chunk in there today, okay. It's in pretty good condition. So I want to be, getting on and getting it turned over and that, because you don't know what sort of winter we're going to have. I don't really want to be here doing it. So winter time and that, and then once we've got digging it away, we can then go around to doing all the other little jobs that we've got to do, like this work in the polytunnel. Got to do work in there, get ready for the spring. This little hedge over here has got to be trimmed. So we've got a fair bit to do. Okay. Just want to apologise for the sound of the wind in the video that I've just put up. I couldn't help it. That's where I had the camera situated and where I was doing the video. That's a perfect day today. There's hardly any wind, so we shouldn't have too much of a problem with the wind today. So that's not too bad, and that's actually quite nice. So if I can come out here and do at least probably up to near the polytunnel, that'll be something today. We're gonna put we've had a bit of a change of what we're gonna do with where we're gonna put stuff. So this week we're gonna go near the full length of polytunnel. Okay. There's gonna be 19 plants in 6 rows, about a foot apart. So we're gonna put the sweet corn there. Okay. Because I was gonna put it in this whole plot here. Okay. Sort of going down towards the polytunnel, but if I put it there and then put anything along the length of polytunnel, it's going to be blocked out. So I'll stick that near the polytunnel, get some underlay and put down. Okay. I'm still undecided on what I'm going to do up here. I want peas, to give that another shot, because that ballsed up 2 years ago, because the mice went along and ate the peas out. Okay. So I'm going to put sunflowers in here. I'll put cabbage and cauliflowers, peas, lettuces. Okay. So this 6 pots. So I've got sunflowers, cabbage, cauliflowers, peas, beans. That was the one that I forgot. So we're going to put beans in there. Okay. And then we'll probably put our onions down here. Our onions. Probably put out actually onions and lettuces, but what we'll do, the little plot in there will probably be the transplant plot. So we'll sow them in rows but thickly, but then we'll take them out and move them, okay, to along here. So that'll probably be iceberg lettuce. Okay, the ones that we normally grow, the normal pointed ones, they're not too bad, but they're a little bit too sharp. Okay. So we really want to try something different this year. So what I'm going to do, as the wind is now starting to pick up a tiny bit, what we'll do is I shan't be speaking in the digging video, we'll do it, and then when it comes to be put on YouTube, I'll speed it up so that doesn't take too long, the video. Okay, because we don't want it taking too long and then having an issue. So, because I know if a video takes too long, people lose interest in watching it, so we don't really want it to take too long. So on that note, folks, I'm going to go and get set up, and we will see you shortly. Thank you very much. See you later, folks. good girl, good girl. Good. Just done the digging part of the video, so that's actually in really good condition. So what we're going to do is going to carry on in a minute and do some more. That's not going too bad at the minute. That's good condition still. So I'll get this video put up sometime today, probably this evening time, and there'll be another one there for you to look at. So on that note folks, we will see you very shortly. That's all for now folks. See you later.